Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be going over how to resolve an error alert you might be getting with Task Scheduler where it's not able to start. So this is going to be a very simple and straightforward tutorial, and we're going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and we're going to type in Services. It should be listed right above Desktop App. So you want to left click on that. You want to scroll down until you get to Task Scheduler. Right here. And then you want to right click on it and then left click on Properties. If it's not already set to automatic, make sure it's set to the automatic position. In order to change it, there should be a little drop down arrow right here, and then select automatic, and then left click on Apply, Start, and then OK. However, in my case, it's already enabled, so that's why these options are grayed out. But again, you would set it to automatic, then click Apply, Start, and then OK. Now what we are going to do is head down until we get to Windows Event Log. Right here. Right click on it, and then left click on Properties. It says Startup Type Manual. Click on the little drop down arrow. Select Automatic. Then left click on Apply. And then if for some reason it said service status stopped, then you would click on Start. However, since it's already running, we can skip over that step. And then we would just simply proceed to click on OK. And now we're going to scroll up until we get to Remote Procedure Call, and it should say RPC. This one right here. So you want to right click on it, and then left click on Properties. Again, this one is already automatic in my case, so I don't have to worry about it. But again, if for some reason it was disabled or set to manual, you would go through the process of selecting automatic through the drop down menu, left click on Apply, then Start, and then OK. So at this point, you should be able to close out of the services window and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.